Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you the official and the legit way to skip the 1 hour wait on Linkvertise in 2025. So when you are on Linkvertise page, you will see a long wait time. So my recommendation would be do not refresh or close it. Instead, you can just scroll down and look for the continue option or the direct access option. If you find it over here, you can just simply click on that and you will be asked to either watch a short ad or read an article or install any free extension or application. So these are the official tasks that remove the timer. So you can pick any one of these and usually the article or the ad and complete it fully. After that, you will see the unlock button or the access now button. So you can click that and boom, no 1 hour wait, you are through. So that is 100% legit and it works every time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.